Welcome everyone to this daily roundup update. We're gonna start with the news, and the inflation made 3.7 result came as 3.7, just like previous, so no change. They expected to change, but that seems that good on strengthening the dollar. And let's go ahead and check what we were anticipating. Hello on everyone. Gold. Check if we have this key level, because obviously after all these days we need a bit of retracement, even though we had this on Tuesday. But gold now is in this territory of clean traffic here. I believe once we close above this level here, we can potentially tap to the level here, like 60 pip range. However, it's tricky because we are in a lot of momentum, and I don't usually trust when we are for a long time in the same direction. But we already have this retracer with a closure above here and break of these highs. We should be good to go up. I'm gonna put an alert here. For the downside, I don't see anything good. Now we are just in this range here. And then you have this every time there is how much, it's like 100 pip move to the upside to the downside, and then you just have this clean traffic, and then immediately this big support level. So I'm just gonna look for buys obviously today. Potentially if we come up again, form support again, break the highs, potentially I can take some buys right over here, or overall waiting for the break above, break of these highs, trigger this alert, and then maybe we have a buys to the upside. That's about it. Gold doesn't look so clean today for me, so I'm not gonna. So I was looking for buys today on gold. Price was around this area, I think, when I did, or here when I did the analysis. Let me just go. Yeah, it was around here, and then we had this breakout, but then I forgot to mention that I mean, yes, we had breakout, yes, we moved for 25 pips to the upside, but then because of the news we failed to break. We just smashed through to the downside, and as I said, I don't trust that much when we are for a long time in a momentum. So now we form resistance after this 4 hour at 3 p.m. or 9 a.m. Eastern. It was very easy after this big sell. It was very easy just to sell the market, but I didn't take any trade on gold because it was overall, it was quite tricky. Let's go ahead and check. Now let's finish how the day closed. Day closed bearish. Finally we tapped this level on gold, and then we close back below. So I anticipate the next days to come and tap this level potentially, or at this this range, this box right over here. And yeah, potentially then weekly. Yeah, weekly needs a wick still. 4 hour, yeah, 4 hour is in a clean range. Once we break these lows of this current 4 hour, we can tap and come to this these two supports that overall we had this move to the upside. So yeah, that's about it for gold. Let's go on GJ, check GJ. To the downside, these are the scenarios that I'm looking. Continue, we can come up, break the highs, make a wick, break the highs of the breakout candle. We can tap this level. We can again break the highs, come back inside the range, close bullish, and then tap the below level. We form this wick. We can break the lows here, a bit aggressive, and just continue. We can break the lows, come back inside the range, tap the level, or we can break below, come back, form a wick, break the lows, and then continue to. Okay, let's go and check. So GJ was in a pure sells. One of the scenarios that happened was this one and this one and this one also, where price just came, tapped this level, failed to break to the upside, closed back below, failed. So right over here at 9 a.m. was clean sells on this, and then from here when we made the video, price just smashed through, closed below this support, and then it was just a continuation to this. Of course we had, because this is a bit market manipulation, of course we had this wicks tapping this previous support, now turned into resistance, failed to break above. And then but after this candle here, after seeing that these two candles have no wick at the top, close bearish, engulfing this, broke the lows of a previous bullish candle. On the break of the lows here, either current candle or stops above the candle at 17 pips or potentially 10 pips, but this 17 pips is not that much because we had like 17 pips as the bottom of the range, and you could have stop loss at break even for around 100 pips. So yeah, this was very clean on GJ daily closed bearish, of course, and we engulfed the previous day. So now I anticipate a continuation on the GJ also to the downside potentially. Weekly, maybe we can close this week bearish. Let's see what tomorrow, Friday, will give us. But if today we close below this support here, this 4-hour candle in 1 hour, I believe, yeah, we can just have a retracement potentially. Like we can have a retracement and then just another leg down to this major support here to close also the week bearish, because obviously we failed. But if we keep support here, then we can potentially come and close around this area to keep the weekly bullish. Let's see tomorrow. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe to the channel.